Welcome back to our channel, where we embark on a journey of enlightening truths that hold the power to transform your life. In today's video, we will uncover valuable insights that have the potential to reshape your perspective and the world around you. So let's delve right in. Truth number 1. Embracing moments of solitude. It's essential to understand that strength doesn't always entail carrying the weight of the world on your shoulders. There are times when you need to embrace solitude and allow yourself to be alone. It's perfectly alright to acknowledge your emotions and take time for yourself. Remember, you don't always have to be strong for others. Taking care of your own well-being should be your top priority. Truth number 2. The hidden pain behind a smile. Contrary to popular belief, a smile doesn't always indicate happiness. Sometimes, people who are hurting mask their pain with a smile. So never assume someone is happy solely based on their smile. It's crucial to be there for your loved ones and regularly check in on them, even if they appear fine on the surface. True connection goes beyond the facade. Truth number 3. Jealousy as a sign of care. When someone experiences jealousy, it often stems from a deep sense of care for what they're envious of. Instead of feeling threatened or upset, try to understand their perspective. By working together to find solutions, you could strengthen your relationships and support each other's growth. Truth number 4. The power of small gestures. Making a difference doesn't always require grand gestures. Small acts of kindness and attention to detail can have a profound impact on someone's day. By embracing these opportunities, you can create a ripple effect of positivity and change. Truth number 5. Embrace your uniqueness. Being yourself and giving your best is what truly sets you apart. Instead of trying to fit in with others, celebrate your unique qualities and approach every endeavor with your utmost effort. People will take notice and appreciate the positive shift in your attitude. Truth number 6. Address behavior with openness. When someone's behavior affects how you feel, it's essential to address the issue. However, it's crucial to approach the conversation with openness and understanding. Remember, sometimes it's not about you, and fostering effective communication can lead to finding common ground. Truth number 7. Cultivate happiness from within. Happiness should not rely on external factors like friends or work. True happiness comes from within. Take care of yourself, engage in activities you love, and surround yourself with positivity. When you prioritize your own well-being, happiness naturally follows. Truth number 8. Nurturing creativity for better sleep. Creative minds often struggle with falling asleep due to a constant stream of new ideas and thoughts. To promote better sleep, establish a bedtime routine that allows your mind to calm down and prepare for rest. Give yourself time to wind down and relax before bed. Truth number 9. Respecting boundaries and space. If someone is avoiding you, it's best to respect their need for space. Forcing a relationship or conversation will only cause more harm. Instead, focus on your own well-being and grant them the time and freedom they require. Remember, you cannot control how others feel or behave, but you can take control of your own happiness. Truth number 10. Prioritize time for yourself. It's crucial to prioritize yourself and your needs. Don't let others take advantage of your availability. Set boundaries and allocate time for activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. By taking care of yourself, you'll have more energy and positivity to share with others. Truth number 11. Value your feelings. Your feelings are precious and should be valued. If someone doesn't appreciate or take them seriously, it's not worth your energy. Focus on the people who genuinely care and reciprocate your emotions. Surround yourself with those who uplift and support you. Truth number 12. The power of silence. Sometimes, words fail to convey the depth of our thoughts and emotions. If someone doesn't understand the power of your silence, they may never truly grasp your words. Let your actions speak for themselves and allow others to interpret your intentions through your behavior. Truth number 13. Finding joy in solitude. Being alone doesn't have to equate to loneliness. Take the time to appreciate your own company and learn to love yourself. You don't need someone else to feel complete. Embrace solitude as an opportunity for self-reflection, growth, and finding joy in your own presence. Truth number 14. Personal responsibility for happiness. Happiness is not something others can give you. It's a personal journey that starts from within. Take charge of your own happiness by taking care of yourself, engaging in activities that bring you joy, and surrounding yourself with positive influences. Truth number 15. Embrace authenticity and hard work. Instead of trying to fit in with others or seeking their approval, Stay true to yourself. Work hard to achieve your own goals and aspirations. Remember, you are capable of greatness when you embrace your authenticity and put in the effort. Truth number 16. Discovering happiness in solitude. Don't feel obligated to constantly surround yourself with others. Sometimes, profound joy and clarity can be found in moments of solitude. Embrace these moments and use them to reconnect with yourself and find peace within. Truth number 17. Choose your company wisely. Walking alone is better than accompanying people who bring negativity and toxicity into your life. Select your companions wisely and surround yourself with individuals who uplift, inspire, and support you on your journey. Truth number 18. Let happiness speak for itself. If someone is chosen to walk out of your life, focus on your own happiness and success. Eventually, they will realize what they're missing out on. Your personal growth and fulfillment will speak for themselves. Now, we embark on an exploration of empowering truths that can transform your life. In today's video, we delve into the pursuit of balance in our fast-paced world. It's easy to get overwhelmed and disconnected amidst the demands of work, relationships, and personal responsibilities. But fear not, because we are here to guide you toward achieving harmony and fulfillment across all areas of your life. So what exactly is work-life balance? It entails finding the right equilibrium between your professional commitments and your personal life. It involves juggling your career, relationships, health, and passions, ensuring that each facet receives the attention it deserves. Striking this balance is vital for our overall well-being and happiness. Now let's explore some practical strategies for achieving work-life balance. Remember, everyone's situation is unique, so feel free to tailor these strategies to your own life. Strategy number 1. Prioritize and set boundaries. It's crucial to identify your priorities in life and determine what truly matters to you. Once you've established your priorities, learn to say no to tasks or commitments that don't align with them. Set boundaries to protect your time and energy. Create a schedule or use a planner to allocate specific blocks of time for work, personal activities, and self-care. By doing so, you take control of your time and create a healthy balance. Strategy number 2. Practice self-care. Taking care of yourself is not selfish, it's essential for your overall well-being. Make time for activities that recharge and rejuvenate you. It could be exercise, meditation, spending time in nature, or pursuing hobbies that bring you joy. Remember, self-care is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Strategy number 3. Nurture relationships. Our relationships play a significant role in our happiness and fulfillment. Make a conscious effort to spend quality time with your loved ones. Put away distractions and be fully present during those moments. Cultivate open and honest communication, as it helps build strong connections and resolves conflicts that may arise. Strategy number 4. Practice effective time management. Time is a precious resource, so it's important to use it wisely. Prioritize tasks based on their importance and urgency. Break larger projects into smaller, manageable tasks to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Utilize tools and techniques like time blocking or the Pomodoro technique to enhance your productivity and prevent burnout. Strategy number 5. Make time for joy. Life is not solely about work and responsibilities. It's crucial to prioritize activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. Whether it's pursuing a hobby, exploring new interests, or simply taking a break to relax and recharge, incorporating joy into all aspects of your life is key to achieving true balance. Finding balance in life is an ongoing journey, and it's different for everyone. But by prioritizing, setting boundaries, practicing self-care, nurturing relationships, managing your time effectively, and making time for joy, you can create a sense of harmony and fulfillment across all areas of your life. So let's embrace the concept of work-life balance and strive for a life that is not only successful, but also deeply fulfilling. Remember, it's not about achieving a perfect balance every day, but rather finding a rhythm that works for you. Thank you for watching, and may your journey toward balance be filled with joy, growth, and fulfillment.